what you will learn. In section 1, you will learn what is 3D modeling, why modern industries rely on 3D, introduction to 3D software and why Blender stands out. You will also meet the instructor and understand how this course is structured to help you grow. And section 2, we are going to cover some modeling theory. Before touching the tool, you have to learn the core concept that every 3D artist must know, like types of modeling and when to use them, poly count, triangles and optimization for games, understanding the device limitation for mobile, PC and VR, file formats and extension, what Unity supports, what Unreal uses and what required for 3D printing. This theory sets the foundation for everything you will create ahead. And section 3, we are going to cover Blender basic to advanced modeling. You will learn how to install Blender, how to navigate the interface, all essential shortcuts, object manipulation, mesh editing, modifiers and more. And then we will model real objects step by step, from simple shapes to complete advanced assets. And the textures bring the model life. You will learn UV unwrapping, painting and shading, PBR materials, creating the game ready texture, exporting and baking them into Blender. And section 5, we are going to cover Blender to Unity game engine. Bring your 3D models into the real game world. You will learn how to install Unity pipelines, built-in URP, HDRP, import settings, materials, colliders and lighting inside Unity. Section 6, we are going to repeat the same workflow with Unreal, so you can work any AAE game engine, installing Unreal basic of the interface, exporting from Blender, importing shaders and lighting inside Unreal. And section 7, we are going to cover hard surface modeling, how to create robots, vehicles, props and gadgets or any science fiction object. And section 8, we are going to cover soft surface modeling, learn organic modeling workflow for characters, clothes, sculpting basics. Section 9, we are going to cover 3D print ready models. We will explore how to make the model suitable for the physical printing, adding thickness, ensure the manifold geometry, scaling and exporting STL files, preparing model for actual 3D printer. And then we are going to cover modeling for VR. We will learn VR ready modeling rules, maintaining the ultra optimization poly count, baking high poly to low poly, texture optimization, preparing model for VR app